here's a few clips. We took it for a test drive yesterday, very quick one, little snow burnout, had to do it, you know. And we got all that differential noise and transmission noise. We're not really sure yet what it is, but that's what we're gonna dive in today, which we figured out yesterday.
That bitch just lose grip! Shit! Shit! Nothing to see here!
Okay, so it's another day from the intro or whatever. It's the next day, and we're finally tagging into the rear end of this thing. So today it's a nice like 20 Fahrenheit day. Nah, probably 10, 0. I don't know. It's more cold than your old ex or something. I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna tag into the Dodge rear end because I'm pretty damn sure it's the rear end, and then we're gonna take it from there. Let's get under her, shall we? Yeah, has the tire been rubbing? No, I don't know. AK-47, baby! Woo! Out of here. Bam. Okay, so I'm gonna try to be the smart guy and get a jack underneath this thing, cause I know it's gonna be heavy as shit. So we just got the diff out. That thing was. I definitely know what the failure is now. Bearing preload. I don't think he ever done that. So yeah, I think we're gonna order a ring gear, pinion gear, cross sleeve eliminator, because I don't want to lay here and then I mess up one cross sleeve and then I have to wait 3 weeks for a new one. You know, European stuff. We can't get overnight parts, you know, not even from Japan. Let's just get this up on the work table. Then I'm gonna show you all the things that's wrong with it. I mean, this is even worse than Fast and the Furious 9. It's real bad. Holy shit! Woo! Okay, so here's the thing. First of all, let's check if the gearing is right, like he said it was. Let's see if we can find the gearing anywhere. There it is. It's a 391. Okay, yeah, that seems right, even though he said it was a 392, which they never made, but yeah. The locker part of the differential looks to be in good shape. Okay, but first of all, let me run down what's wrong with it. First of all, these big caps right here that holds in the differential, I think they switched over, cause the machining part of them don't really seem to match up. If you can see what I mean here, like the little edge this thing has right here, and how this one sits kind of in, you can see there, the machining doesn't really match. I'm pretty sure that cap right here should have been over here and the other way around. Not quite sure. Next thing is the bearing preload, which is set on these adjusters out here. Look at the whole ring gear that can slide back and forth in the house. It's not supposed to do this. And the bearings are completely loose down here. I mean, the whole diff can also like twist this way or whatever. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know how you were able to do such a bad job. So thank you so much for watching today's video. It was just a quick update on the Dart. I'm gonna be waiting now 2 weeks again for parts and stuff, and they're gonna be broke, so that's great. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and a subscribe down below if you guys want to support the channel. It helps me out a little bit with a little bit of ad revenue and stuff. Not much. I mean, I maybe make $2 a video, but hey, I mean, a new bearing seal is $2. No, I have to pay like $10 at least in shipping. So, yep, nope, not at all. Thank you for watching, and see you in another one.